So in this video, we're going to look at a variation of what I call tribal 8'S, which is signature moves from tribal from a trap, which is my style tribal fusion. So we have the 40 courses starting this week, as in next week, next Wednesday. So there's a few places left. If you want to come and dance with me in the studio, in person here, come and dance with me. Very few places available in the private studio. There's only a few of us going to be here, full stop. So meanwhile, let me go through the tribal 8'S with you. I've got many stylizations and many variations, which are signature movements for tribal from a trap. But this one, let me teach you this one. So if you are new to this, I'm not going to teach you this because I've already taught this in previous videos. So you want to go and check out the Figure of 8 series on YouTube and on my Instagram TV. There is some videos there, loads of videos furthermore, on the Figure of 8 series. You want to learn this one first before you learn what I'm about to teach you today, which is a combination of a few things. Okay, so I'm going to assume you've already watched the other Figure of 8 video, and we're going to do a few of them now. So make sure you're warm first, and let's go. Okay, so hips. I want to also shout out to my little brother for the song. So 1, 2, 3. All of the music that I use in my videos is by Tribal from the Trap. So the music is available pretty much everywhere: iTunes, Spotify, Google Play, YouTube. Check it out. Music is license free, so you can use it as a teacher, as a performer, on social media. No problems. Push, push. So Figure of 8, bend your knees. Remember the rules. You have to pivot on the heels so that you don't twist your knee. For 4, and you let the body go. Let it go. Let it go and find your groove. So you find your flavor and your interpretation of how you move your body with the Figure of 8 is all up to you. Yes? However you want to feel it, groove it. It's all yours. Okay, for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so we're going to go into it's a bit of an undulation with it, okay? So let's just quickly go over some undulations. Again, if you've never learned how to do undulations, I have them in the undulation series, also on my YouTube channel, okay? So roll down. And also, if you are anywhere in the world and you can't come to my actual classes in person, then you can take my online classes from anywhere in the world instead. Anywhere in the world. And it's like taking my actual classes. So it's not like these kind of videos, just random tutorials here and there of different things. They're actual courses. So you progress from one week to the next with me in person. And as if you're really in the room, you'll be taking the actual course that you would have taken if you came to class. That makes any sense. Okay, so learn with me and progress with me from one week to the next. Your undulation's going. So your undulation meets your Figure of 8s, basically. Okay? So lead your undulation. Let's get the Figure of 8s going, and I will put in the Figure of 8 with the undulation. So, ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Figure of 8s, Figure of 8s, Figure of 8. Now the undulation. 1, 2. Up, roll down. So you do one undulation per leg. And if you're already my student and you learnt this in the actual course with me already, and you're using it for a tool to help you practice, remember everything we spoke about in class, okay? So you have to think of the undulation coming to meet the hip. The undulation comes to meet the hip. Okay, so roll, and roll, and roll, and roll, and roll, and roll. You relax your shoulders, relax your shoulders. So I'm not trying to freeze anything. Roll, roll, undulation, undulation. 1. Final component is the shoulders. So, might already be too much. If it's too much, just ignore me. Otherwise, we have a bit of this going on. Roll my shoulder, roll my shoulder. Okay, so it kind of rolls into the undulation, rolls into the undulation, rolls into the undulation, rolls into the undulation. Okay, so again, these are the quick tutorials. But if you want to learn it properly in details from the ground up, come to class. Come to class, come and train with me, I'll teach you properly. Or do the online classes where you learn it properly. These are just quick tutorials, okay? So, 1, 2. We break things down to its minutest detail in class. And it really helps you figure it out, okay? And if you're doing the online classes, you get to talk to me on WhatsApp and stuff, I help you. If you're in the actual class, well, I see you and I help you there. Okay, so 4, undulation, undulation. Now look, I roll into, I stay low, and I connect and coordinate shoulders, undulations, and finger eights. Push. You have to breathe. You have to breathe. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm going to face it back for a long round in case it helps you, and that'll be that. Okay? So, always you have to have your knees bent, it's not going to work. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, undulation. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll your shoulder, 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 roll your shoulder. 4, 3, 2, 1. Just hips. 1, and then just improvise with your figure eights. So you can move your arms as you wish. Remember, this is a very stylized way that we move in tribal from a trap. I'm going to use my whole body for everything and teach you all of this in class. So 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed that. It's a tricky one because there's many components to it. It's not straightforward, but good luck. Yes, so any questions, message me, but otherwise I'd love to see you in class in the 4-week courses that start next week on Wednesday. The Tribal From Trap is on Wednesday, but there's loads of classes to choose from. Belly dance workout, Latin belly hip hop, drum solo, belly dance drum solo if you're into isolations and learning technique and all that sort of good stuff. So come and see me, loads to choose from, there's more than that. Yes, so melissabellydance.com.